Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to sign up as a designer on Stuccco.com. First, you'll go to the sign up page by clicking on Menu and then Sign Up. You can sign up using Facebook, Google, or email. I recommend email. I'm going to put in my best email address and then create a password. You can always reset this down the road. Then I'm going to click Continue with Email, and you'll want to select Home Professional on the right here. And then you'll fill out this information with your information, of course. Use the classic Jane Doe. You'll select interior designer / decorator. All right, that is very important for you to select, so we'll select that option here. If you're a sole proprietor, you can just put in your first and last name for business name. And when you're providing your address and your contact information, we just need that. We'll need that for tax purposes down the road, and I'll show you where that information will be populated. But don't worry, if you don't want to display this information publicly on Stuccco, I'll show you how you can hide that information in a future video. So we'll just put in this information for now. We'll click on Continue. And that is it. So you've signed up as a designer. You'll now be signed in. You can now see, if you click on Menu, that some additional links are available to you. For instance, the My Profile link, which will show you your Stuccco profile and the ecosystem. And there's the name. So let's go back to Settings, which is where we just were, and I'll give you a quick overview of the different sections within the Settings interface. So first is My Profile. This is the default view in Settings, and this is the information that you'll provide, which will populate your Stuccco profile, which we just looked at moments ago. You can see here, as I mentioned, you can click here, hide this on my profile, hide this on my profile if you wish, and then click Save in order for that contact information to no longer be visible publicly on your Stuccco profile. In a future video, I'll show you some best practices in terms of filling out these different fields. This is very important to be discovered on Stuccco, and also to convert any traffic that might come to your Stuccco profile that would be interested in hiring you. The next tab is what we took a quick glance at last time. You might recognize this handsome devil here. This is just a welcome video for me, as well as some instructions on how to go about listing your services as being available for hire within the Stuccco.com ecosystem. If you want to be available for hire, if you want to fulfill the different home design projects that are placed on Stuccco.com by homeowners, you'll need to request access by clicking on this Request Access button. It will open up a new tab in your browser, and you will fill out this application. Our team will then review your application, schedule a call with you. If there's a good fit, then we will grant access to this page, which will change, and it'll allow you to connect your bank accounts so that you can get paid and also be listed as available for hire on Stuccco.com. All right. Next will be plan subscriptions. This really isn't relevant to you. This is relevant to primarily real estate agents who place virtual staging orders on our website. They can optionally subscribe to one of these plans and unlock discounts on their virtual staging orders. So you can pretty safely ignore this tab within Settings. Next is notification subscriptions, and this is just controlling how or when you might get notified of activities that take place on Stuccco via your email address that you provided on sign up. So if you just want to unsubscribe to things, you can uncheck some of these boxes and click Save to update the settings. All right, so that's how to sign up as a designer, how to request access to fulfill design projects within the Stuccco platform, and then also just a quick overview of where you can find your profile, as well as the different components of the settings interface. I'll see you in the next video.